Hello, computing friends. Today, let's take a quick look at some of Premio's edge computing solutions supported by power-efficient Intel Atom x7000 processors. Let's start with a quick overview of Intel's Atom x7000RE CPUs and the key features for edge computing. These processors offer up to 8 efficient cores that support parallel workloads, such as industrial gateways, analytics, and protocol conversion. They operate within a low 6 to 12 watt TDP range, which makes them well suited for fanless industrial systems. They also support DDR5 memory up to 32 gigabytes. Now, if you look at the table, we highlight two processors that are supported across Premio solutions. The x7433RE has 4 efficient cores with a 9 watt TDP. It is ideal for compact fanless nodes, protocol gateways, and lightweight HMI applications. The x7835RE has 8 efficient cores with a 12 watt TDP. It is designed for edge analytics, AI-assisted inference, and workloads that require higher parallel throughput. Now let's take a closer look at our super rugged fanless mini PC, the RCO1000ASL. This system is purpose-built for harsh environments and supports a wide operating temperature range along with flexible power input. Beyond the CPU and DDR5 memory we just discussed, one of the key highlights of this platform is Premio's Edge Boost I/O design. It allows users to easily expand connectivity with additional interfaces such as USB, DP, HDMI, and COM ports. The system also supports CAN bus and ignition control for in-vehicle and mobile applications. In addition, it provides hardware-level remote management, which makes it easier to monitor and manage systems deployed in the field. Next, let's look at the DCO1000ASL series, our compact DIN-rail fanless embedded computer designed for industrial IoT environments. Its small form factor and DIN-rail mounting make it ideal for installation inside control cabinets or other space-constrained industrial settings. Despite its compact size, it provides balanced connectivity with 4 2.5 gigabit LAN ports for reliable network communication. The system also supports dual nano SIM slots for 4G or 5G connectivity and meets industrial safety standards, including UL 61010 certification, which ensures reliable operation in demanding environments. Besides our box PCs, we also offer panel PC solutions such as the SIO300ASL series. This stainless steel industrial touch panel PC supports Intel Atom x7000RE processors, such as the x7835RE, as well as Intel processor N-series options like the N97. The system features a full SUS316 stainless steel enclosure designed for washdown and hygienic environments. It also includes a pressure vent for stable operation and optical bonding to improve display clarity and durability. The SIO300ASL uses robust M12 connectors for reliable industrial connectivity and is available in screen sizes from 15 to 24 inches to support a wide range of industrial applications. Finally, we have the CTD-AS01 and CTD-AS02, our 3.5-inch single-board computers designed for embedded edge systems. Despite their compact size, these boards provide rich I/O connectivity, including USB, DisplayPort, HDMI, and dual 2.5 gigabit LAN for flexible system integration. They also support multiple M.2 expansion options for storage, wireless connectivity, and additional modules. With support for wide operating temperatures, these boards are well suited for industrial automation, gateways, and embedded edge deployments, where space and reliability are critical. I hope today's introduction gave you a better understanding of Premio's edge computing solutions. For more information, please visit premioinc.com.